Okay, can we meet you?
I'm Suliat Eniola Ismail by name.
You gave me your full name. I like that. What about you?
Olami, Olami Kosho.
So, are you guys a couple?
Young couple. We are siblings.
Siblings. So, you brought her out. Chai.
So just link up, sha.
Just think of. So, guys now take their sisters out. That's very, very nice. I'm sure you treat your girlfriend right also.
Normal.
Normal.
When I have the right person.
When you have the right person.
No.
So, you're telling me you're single,
I'm not single. I have a girlfriend.
but she's not the right person.
She's the right person at the moment.
Okay, that is nice. So, what are your expectations from the show today?
My expectations here today they are so high. Like I know him too well. I know I should be expecting nothing but the best
Nothing but the best.
from him.
Okay, and I can assure you that you have nothing but the best from Dekola today. Thank you for coming on the red carpet. The red carpet of Love, Cruise, and Wahala. I have another beautiful guest with me. Can we meet you?
My name is Tolu.
Tolu Lokpe. Okay, so what are your expectations from the show today?
I'm actually expecting fun, and cruise.
And the cruise. What about Wahala? You don't want Wahala?
I don't know why.
Okay, quick question for you. What's your definition of love?
My definition of love is actually feelings that it's actually uncontrollable, that you feel from within. That's actually my definition.
That's where you feel from love. So do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah, I do.
Why is everybody believing in love at first sight now?
It happens.
You watch Korean movies a lot.
No, I'm not a fan.
You're not a fan. What about Indian movies?
Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon. Okay, because I'm just wondering why everybody's believing in love. Because I don't believe in love at first sight too.
It exists, you know.
You think it does? Okay. So are you single?
No.
No. But you thought about it for like a while.
Like, no. I have to make it resounding. No.
No. So are you searching?
No, I'm not searching.
Single and not searching. Okay, I like that. Thanks for coming on the red carpet.